This is a YouTube video that was shared on Reddit. It has over 100,000 views. It is a good example of how to promote YouTube videos on Reddit. Now, if you look at that and think to yourself, if I also drop a link on Reddit, I will get the same results. Think again. Unlike other social media platforms, you can't just hop onto Reddit and start adding links to your videos. If you do that, you will get banned. There is a strategy you need to follow to promote YouTube channel Reddit. So keep watching to learn how to get views with Reddit. Hi, I'm Shamel from PromoteYouTubeVideos.com. In this video, I will cover a quick overview of Reddit, how to find the right subreddits to share your videos, a list of best subreddits to promote your videos, steps to follow to not get banned on Reddit, how to embed a YouTube video the right way, and how to structure your title and other things so that you can get more views with Reddit. Promoting YouTube on Reddit will be rewarding if you follow this video. Reddit is all about user-generated content that can be upvoted or downvoted by users. One of Reddit's most powerful features is the subreddit. It's basically a topic section where users can discuss just about anything you can think of. Best way to learn Reddit is to create an account and start getting involved in the community. Which brings to my next step. To use Reddit as a promotion tool for YouTuber, you need to find the best Reddit for your YouTube video. So take the video you want to promote and think about all the different topics it covers. For example, if you have a travel vlog of your family going to Disneyland, different categories of this topic could be vlog, travel, family, etc. You can search inside the Reddit in the search box. Make sure each subreddit has enough subscribers and is related to your YouTube video. Read the rules carefully. If you break the rules, they will easily ban you. Different subreddits give different results. It never hurts to test out various subreddits. Sometimes a post will die in one subreddit, but it will thrive in another. As a best practice, try to join subreddits that have a good user base. It's updated regularly with new posts, and the community is active, and it doesn't have any strict promotional policies. Once you join a subreddit, you can also see some related subreddits. Best subreddits to promote YouTube videos. There are some specifically created for Reddit YouTube videos. Here are a few that I use. I will leave the link in the description below. Every subreddit has a different audience, and the different audience responds to different content. You can get Reddit YouTube subscribers if you do this correctly. So find out what type of content performs best amongst the readers of each subreddit. Here's how you can do that. Open the subreddit that you have joined and check the all-time top posts. This shows you all the best performing posts of that subreddit. Analyze the top threads and their comment section to get an idea of what your target audience likes and dislikes. How not to get banned on Reddit. Reddit works on karma system. That's what tells other Redditors whether you're a genuine community member or just a one-time spammer. You get one post karma for every thread you start and one comment karma if someone upvotes your comment. To make sure that you don't get banned across different subreddits while posting and commenting, you need to have a decent karma points. So work your way at least 50 karma points for both posts and comments before you start promoting your YouTube channel on Reddit. Spend a few days helping and posting useful comments on topics that you know about. A few tips that gain easy karma points is images. They tend to get more upvotes and text gets more comments. Post funny, helpful or educated content. Post content that performed well on other social media. If you have Facebook or Twitter or something like that, if there are some things that you can bring into Reddit from there, that's always great. Don't post any hate or negative comments and don't ask for upvotes. How to embed a YouTube video on Reddit and get views with Reddit. Once you have some karma built up, you can post your video. The quality of your Reddit title can be the difference between a post that dies and a one that gets lots of attention, upvotes and comments, and thereby getting views from Reddit. So how do you write a good Reddit title? Follow these pointers to make sure your post receives the attention it deserves. First of all, don't be vague. Make sure Redditors know what they are getting. People don't have time to click on every submission to find out what's inside. Contribute value to the community by writing titles that accurately describe what is being shared. If you are asking a question or making a statement, make sure it's unique and attention grabbing. Don't be afraid to raise some eyebrows, but stay away from misleading hype. Be relevant. Reddit subscribers like to read about specific topics that are related to their subreddit. If your submission is out of place, you will not gain any attention. So now you know how to use Reddit to promote YouTube channel. Reddit is a great traffic source for your YouTube channel. If you're willing to put in the effort, your YouTube channel audience will build up pretty fast. It's time now for you to take action, promote YouTube channel Reddit, and see how you can get free views from Reddit.